Hi, my friends. Welcome back on board with yours and truly yours, Edu Ada. So, quickly, the continuation of what we've started with from prime product, representation of numbers in the product of the prime factors, then to the highest common factors. Now we consider multiples and lowest common multiple. Just like I said in one of the videos when I add this upon this, I call this a factor. It is the divisor is a factor of the numerator, while the numerator is a multiple. Somebody will ask, how do I come about the multiple? If you have 2 here, to get the multiples of 2, 2 itself is a multiple of its 2 is a multiple of itself. 2 then like successive addition of the same number. Successive addition, then you have here 2 plus 2 you have 4, 4 plus 2 you have 6, 6 plus 2 you have 8. Can you see we have arrived at this? You can have a continuation, plus 2 10. It must be a successive addition of this number that we are dealing with. Let's check for other numbers. You have 5. Of course, you know the multiples of 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 10, plus 5 15, plus 5 15 plus 5 you have 20, and on like that. So it continues. So quickly now we consider let's consider an example. That's what multiples are. Then if you are look for the lowest multiple of numbers, let's deal with example 1. You have 20, right? There are two basic methods that you can go. In fact, there are three. Yeah, there are three. But we'll talk about two methods. So here you have this 20, the multiples 20, 30, 40, on and on. Then the multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and on and on. They said calculate the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple. What's the lowest common multiple? Visibly, we have 20 is the first common multiple, followed by 30. So, which means 20 will be the lowest common multiple. You can be told to find out or to calculate the 10th common multiple or the 4th common multiple. There are two ways you can do this. You can continue with this approach until you locate the 10th common multiple, or you just pick the first common multiple or the lowest common multiple, you multiply by that position, which is 10. You will get the same answer. Yeah, so let's solve the second example. Have this says 15 and 30. Is 15 is 30 is what? 45 plus 15 again, that gives you 60, and on and on. Then we have 30. 30 plus 30 you have 60, plus 60 you have 90. You don't have to go this far, on and on. So what is the lowest common multiple? Obviously we have this. So LCM, I did not write the answer for the other one. LCM will be equal to 30 There's another approach by repeated division method that we use for HCF. We can use it here too, but bearing something else in mind. It's not compulsory. The divisor divide the two numbers. Let's go. We did 20 and 10, and our answer was 20. Yes, our answer was 20. So let's check this out. 20, 10. We go 2 here, 10, 2 here, 5. 2 may not divide 5, but you still use it because I dealing with lowest common multiple. So we use 2 again. Since 2 can still divide one of them, it should become 5. 2 in 5, 2 cannot divide, you bring down to 5. But now 2 cannot divide any of the two. So you go for a number that will divide them. Not even 3, not 4, it's 5. Here 1, here 1. Isn't it? So the LCM comes 2 times 2 times 5. And that becomes what? 4 times 5. And that gives you 20. See, we have the same answer like we had for the first approach. The same answer. Look at this for the second example that we did again. We did 15 and 30. So here number 2 is 15. 2 here is 15. So you go to 3, 3 here, 5, 5. Then here 5, 1, 1. So the LCM becomes 2 times 3 and 5. And that gives us what? 30. Is equal to what we got the other time. So thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me again on the session. Have a nice